Welcome to our beginner English class. We invite you to come and learn with us.
I'm almost there. Tom,
You got this.
Let's go!
we're so proud of you.
Oh no, Tom, he's fallen.
AGH. My leg. Tom, son, are you all right? I can't move it. It hurts so bad.
Don't move. It looks serious.
Should I call 911?
No, we're going to the ER right now.
We're almost there, Tom.
It's okay, son. Everything will be all right.
Tom, be strong, son.
Hello? What happened?
He fell during a soccer game. Relax, Tom. Your heart rate is high.
Hi, guys. I'm Dr. Miller. Let's see that leg.
Ouch! That's the spot.
I need an x-ray to check for broken bones.
Tom, you're so strong, you can do it. Is he gonna be okay?
He's strong. Don't worry, sis. Good news. It's not broken.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, Doctor.
It's a bad sprain. No soccer for 3 weeks.
But the finals are next week.
The boy's health comes first, and once he recovers, he can still continue playing football.
Bandaging like this will help stabilize the ankle and restrict movement.
Give him pain medicine every 6 hours.
Yes, thank you, doctor.
This is harder than it looks. You look like a giant penguin.
Anna, you mustn't tease your brother. He's injured.
Thank you, nurse. Okay, let's go home.
Tom, how are you feeling?
I'm fine, Mom. Chef Anna is here. Healthy soup for you. Wow, it's actually good. Thanks, Anna. It's nothing, brother.
Tom, time for your medicine.
I hate pills.
It helps you get back to the game faster.
I beat you. Ah! Being sick doesn't make you better at games.
Just wait until I can walk.
Slow down, one step at a time.
It's stiff.
Okay, son, now move your toes like this.
Nah.
Look what I found. Wanna try? Not yet. The doctor said 3 weeks.
As you can see, the medical team is attending to the goalkeeper now during this injury timeout.
It certainly doesn't look good from here. We wish him a speedy recovery.
Look, that player had the same injury.
He came back and scored.
You will too, son.
Look, Mom, no crutches.
Oh, that's great. But you still need to be careful and not overexert yourself.
Tom, you're finally feeling better. No pain. It feels strong.
Let's celebrate with pizza tonight.
Best idea ever, Dad. Finally! Back in the jersey. Oh, I learned a lesson. Stretching is important.
Come on, Tom!
Hey, boy! You can do it!
After these past few days, I've learned a lesson. We need to warm up properly to avoid getting injured. And I am so grateful that my family is always there for me and takes care of me.